If you really want to start a business and you're looking out for a loan platform or a loan business or a company that can actually give you access to a loan or a capital which you can actually use to start a business, in this video we are going to look into 5 loan apps that you can actually use to get a capital or a fund for your business, and then you can pay back as at when you actually want to pay back the loan, and you have access to choose the best time which should be much convenient for you to choose how to pay back. And also we'll look into the features and the benefit as well as the interest rate which you have to pay back on the certain amount of money you borrow on any of these loan apps. And also we'll be looking out to how much you can actually borrow on each of these loan apps, so that you know before you proceed on signing up on any of these apps. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So the first app which we will be reviewing in this video is Rent Money, which is simply useful banking online, and this is also a microfinance banking as well. And the overall rating of this app is 3.3, and they have close to 9,000 reviews on the platform with over 500,000 downloads on the Google Play Store as I'm recording this video. And this app also grants you access to a loan of up to like 6 million, which you can actually use to start a business. And trust me, if you want to start a business today and you're looking out for a capital for your business, Rent Money is there for you, and they are ready to give you any certain amount of money you requested for to start your business or to start a loan. And there are some other features which you can actually benefit from this app by savings, paying bills, buying airtime, and making other payments on the platform with no interest or no charging fee on any amount you actually want to transfer. And as well as the interest rate also start from 2% to 25%, and you can also choose, or this actually lies to the kind of amount you borrow on this platform. So, and also I'll advise you, before you borrow any loan on any of these apps, kindly check on the review and see what people are actually saying about this particular app before you can actually proceed on requesting a loan from them. I'd like to scroll down to see what people are actually saying about this particular app, and also you can contact the customer support as well to see what's in there and why you should just choose them as the next app to borrow your next loan from them. Read through the comment section on each of these apps to see what's going on and what people are actually saying, what they are complaining, and what they actually like about any of these apps before you proceed on requesting for a loan on any of these loan app platform. Number 2, which we'll be reviewing in this video, is Cash. What is Cash and how does it actually works? Cash is also a Blue Bridge microfinance bank as well, and it's a safe and a reliable loan which you can actually trust online today. And on these loan apps you can actually get a loan from 3,000 naira to 500,000. So I believe with 500,000 naira you can actually use to start a business of yourself. I don't know the kind of business you actually want to start, but trust me, with 500,000 naira you can just get started with that kind of business you actually want to start. It's either it's okay or not up to what you're actually looking for, or it's even more than what you're actually looking for. So you can just make sure you request for a certain amount of loan, which is between 3,000 naira to 500,000 naira on this loan app. Then you'll be able to choose how you actually want to pay back, as it was stated on the platform that you can actually pay back within 91 to 365 days, which is up to a year. And the interest rate is between 0.1% to 1%, and this is also lies to the kind of how much you actually want to request for on this app. And scroll down to the review and see what you're actually saying about this particular app, so you'll be able to know if this is the next app for you to start or to request for your next loan online. So And make sure you're starting a business that you know that, okay, if you start a business like this and you use a loan to start that kind of business, so within 6 to 1 year you should be able to get a capital back and you'll be able to pay back the loan you requested for. Then you can just keep on running your business again, as well as the interest rate that they charge you upon the loan you requested for. Number 3, name credits. What is name credit and how does it actually work? Name credit is also a fast and instant loan that gives you access to a loan of the certain amount you actually requested for, which is from 10,000 naira to 300,000 naira. So I believe with 300,000 naira you can actually start a business of your own, and then you can grow from there. New credits also have over 76,000 reviews with over 1 million downloads on Google Play Store, and it's still counting. And you can also scroll down to see the review and see what people are actually saying about the loan app. They also offer 24/7 available cash, which means anytime you requested for a loan, you will definitely get it instantly. Immediately you drop every requirement details they ask for from you. They also have a repayment package which starts from 91 days to 365 days with easy, safe loan without mortgage. So then the app is just new updated, and it was under top rating for top 10 review loan apps in Nigeria today. You can also scroll down to see what people are actually saying about this particular app to know if this is the next app for you to get a loan for your business. Number 4, Carbon. What is Carbon and how does it actually work? Carbon is a reliable loan and also have a lot of access to on their apps, which you can actually use to start a business. They also have a business ideas on their app if you actually want to start a business within the app. So this will also give you idea on what you actually want to do, and also if the kind of business you actually want to start is a reliable one before you proceed on to collect a loan on Carbon app. Carbon also have different kind of features like paying bills, savings, as well as recharging airtime on the platform. They also give access to a loan for up to like 1 million naira. So I believe with 1 million naira you can actually start a great business of your own. They also offer 24/7 instant loan, and then they also give access to requesting for a loan of any amount you actually want to request it for, with interest rate of up to 15.5% based on the kind of amount you actually requested for. You can also scroll down to see the review people and see what people are actually saying about this particular app before you proceed on to request for your next loan with them. These are very, very important. Before you ask for any loan on any of the platform, just make sure you read the description, read the terms and conditions, then the review that people are dropping about each of these apps. Number 5, QuickCheck. What is QuickCheck and how does it actually work? QuickCheck is also a fast rising loan app here in Nigeria that gives access and quick loan to anyone who actually want to start a business here in Nigeria. They also have over 147,000 reviews, and the overall rating is 4.5 with 1 million plus downloads on the Google Play Store as at when I'm recording this video, and also give access to loan from 3,000 naira to over 5 million naira. And this also depends on the kind of account you are running, how much your account receive on a monthly basis, and how much information you provide when you actually want to request for a loan from any of these apps. You can also scroll down to see the review on what people are actually saying about this particular app, as well as it was updated to give more instant loan to people who actually want to start a business here in Nigeria. So scroll down to see the reviews that people dropping about each of these apps, which are very, very important before you request for any loan on any of these platforms before, because it's very saddening if you request for a loan and at the end of the day you have issue with maybe the interest rate or the certain amount of money you actually requested for, or probably how you actually want to pay back the loan you requested for. So it's best you go through the whole process of terms and conditions, contacting the support to know much about how each of these app actually work before you proceed on to request for any loan on any of this platform. This is what I have for you in this video, and if you have any question regarding any of these app which I review in this video, so you can just drop a comment on the comment section. I'll reply to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as it really means a lot to me. Thank you.